channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. How you doing? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming this full face makeup look right here. I really wanted to play with my new eyeshadow thing that I got from Dose of Colors. This is the Ideal Duo in the color Sunset, and that's all the glitter that or the foiled shade that I have on my eye. And then for the rest of the eyeshadows, I used my soft Glam palette. And then I also used this Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick. Now, if you're watching this the day I upload, which is Friday, these are actually 50% off just for today for 21 days of beauty at Ulta. So if you like this color and you want to pick it up, it's only $10 today. And also all the other colors are on sale. So if you like any of the colors from the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick line, I would definitely pick them up today. But this Dose of Color eyeshadow that I did use on my eyes is one of the hot buys for Ulta as well, and so it's on sale 50% off for $15. It's usually $25, and this is for the whole time that 21 days of beauty is going on. And so I really wanted to play with it today. I did get some other colors, and if you want me to use those in future videos, just let me know. But yeah, I ended up coming up with this cut crease smoky eye, and yeah, I ended up showing my whole face. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Also, before I let you guys go, make sure to subscribe before you leave. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so 3 times a week, and I would love for you to join my beauty family here on YouTube. And yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the makeup. Okay guys, starting off with priming under my eyes, I'm using my BECCA Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. Oh, you make me wanna talk back. And then to go ahead and prime the rest of my face, I'm using my Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Primer Spray. Now to go ahead and conceal the veins under my eyes, I'm going to be using this Bye Bye Under Eye from IT Cosmetics in the shade Medium. For foundation today, I'm going to be using my YSL All Hours foundation, and I'm going to be using that with my Real Techniques sponge. Now for concealer today, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. I've been loving this so much lately. And I'm just going to use that under my eyes and also to prime my lids and also highlight my face. Okay, and to go ahead and set my concealer and bake my face, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color Fair. For eyes today, I'm going to be using my ANASTASIA Soft Glam palette and taking Orange Soda on a fluffy brush. I'm going to be using this as my transition shade, so into the crease and above it. Then taking a slightly darker color, which is Burnt Orange, on a 217, I'm going to pack that into the crease. Then we're going to be going in with Sienna, and we're going to pack that onto the outer corner and also into the crease where we put the other shade. It's just a building process. Now to deepen everything up, I'm taking Cypress Umber, that dark brown color, and I'm going to pack this onto the outer corner of my eye and also a little bit into the crease. And then just taking whatever's left on the brush into the crease. Then to go ahead and cut the crease, I'm taking an angled brush in my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and I'm just going to cut my crease right above my natural crease. Then I'm just going to go ahead and fill in under that with some concealer, and I'm only going halfway for this halfway cut crease look. Then I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the edges with a fluffy brush, and then just pack that brown right on top just to blend everything together. Then taking tempera, I'm going to use that to go ahead and set that concealer on the lid so it doesn't crease. Then just going back in with more dark brown to go ahead and blend those two colors together. Now for the lid, I'm going to be taking this Dose of Colors Ideal Duo, and I'm going to be taking the primer side all over where we put that concealer. Then once I have that on there, I'm going to go ahead and pack on the pigment, which is on the bottom side of the Ideal Duo, and this is in the color Sunset. Now I'm just going back in with Cypress Umber to go ahead and blend the two together on the outer corner. And then I'm just taking my transition shade brush and just blending out any edges. Now going in with a smaller defined brush and Cypress Umber, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease and make sure that we're like hiding that concealer line, and also just defining the crease so it looks more dramatic. And now I'm just re-blending that outer corner. As you can see, this is a process of just blending. And now that I've been baking for a while, I'm going to go ahead and just press that powder into my skin. And so far, oh my gosh, this Maybelline Fit Me powder is really, really good. Now going back in with Cypress Umber on a flat defining brush, I'm just going to pack that all over my lower lash line. And then to go ahead and blend that out, I'm taking a small pencil brush and sienna and just blending the brown out. And then just going back in with more Cypress Umber. Now to go ahead and highlight the inner corner, I'm taking Glistening, and I'm just going to highlight the inner corner and also under the brow bone. Now moving on to the face for a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and bronze using my BECCA Sunlit bronzer. And then for blush today, I'm going to be using this Laura Geller blush in the color Sunswept. And then for highlight today, I'm going to be using this ANASTASIA and AMREZY highlight, and I'm just going to pack this basically all over my face. And to add a little bit of a pop, I'm going to take this ColourPop highlighter in the color Flexatarian, and I'm just going to place this on the very, very high points of my face just to add a more beaming highlight. Then to go ahead and melt all those powders into place, I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray to go ahead and set them in place. Now for eyeliner, I'm using this Maybelline Align Stiletto eyeliner, but I'm just drawing a line on my lash line, no wing today. Then for mascara, I'm going to be using my Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara on the top and lower lashes. For falsies today, I'm going to be using these Vegas Nay Glamour Lashes. And for lips, I'm going to start off by lining them with my NYX lip liner in Peekaboo Neutral. And for the lipstick, I'm going in with this Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the color Child Star. Now that's pretty much everything for this look. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!
So back to what I was saying. This could be us when she pregnant. Pull down, grab the wall, wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall.